three months old, the KV factorization books energy, and part that is part number 4, and your topic is division of algebraic expression. So you're going to divide the algebraic expression. So for division of algebraic expression, you have two methods, that is factor method and division method, and I'll introduce both the methods over here. The method new. First method is factor method. Okay, so suppose if I divide number 215 by 5, so I'm going to solve it with the factor method. Factor method which time factor method which time divide time. So here unit place is 5 and here unit place is 5. Right. Now you're going to cut this. So 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, and 1 left 15. So 5 3s are 15. So with the help of a factorization method, your product is 43. That's the factorization chapter. Factorization factor method. Okay class, now I'm going to introduce the second method, which is very important for you in class 9 in the chapter polynomial. So the second method is division method. Okay class, the question is same. Divide 215 by 5. Okay class, now you are going to divide 215 with a number 5. So 5 4s are 20. Okay, 1 left 5. 5 3s are 15. Okay class, for division method you have a formula, and the formula is dividend is equals to the divisor into quotient plus remainder plus remainder. Okay, you don't know what is dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder, so I am going to explain you with the help of a division method. I am going to explain you what is dividend over here, what is divisor, what is quotient, and what is remainder. So one by one I will discuss. So number 215 is your dividend. Number 43 is your quotient. Okay class, number 5 is divisor, and number 0 is remainder. Right. Okay, remain means whatever left, so remainder is 0. So now I'm going to substitute all these numbers in this formula. So in place of dividend, I will substitute 215. In place of divisor, I will substitute 5. And in place of quotient, I will substitute 43. And in place of remainder, I will substitute 0. Number value is a formula. The number we are going to verify whether the product of the dividend is equals to the product of the divisor into quotient plus remainder. We are going to check that whether both the numbers are same or not. Here, the dividend is 215, and when you multiply the divisor and quotient, you add the remainder, your product is 215. Right? So this is your division method, and which is very important for your class 9. Go to say. Okay class. So now our main method in class 8, the main method is factorization method. The factorization method we are going to divide monomial by monomial with the help of factorization method. So first question you have 6x cubed divided by 2x. Okay class, now you're going to solve this with the help of factorization method. So 6x cubed divided by 2x. So you can express this 6x like this. 6 into x into x into x and 2 into x. Now you're going to cut this. Number 2, 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. X will cut with the variable x. So at last your product is 3 multiplied x into x and your answer is 3x squared. This is, okay class, this is how you are going to divide monomial by monomial. Okay class, now our next topic is division of polynomial by monomial. So the second topic is you are going to divide polynomial by monomial. So polynomial by monomial. Okay class, now my question is 24 x squared yz plus xy squared z plus xyz squared divided by 8xyz. Okay class, now again I'm going to factorize this. So 24 x squared yz plus xy squared z plus xyz squared and 8xyz. Okay class, here the common is xyz, xyz, xyz is common everywhere. So I'll take common as outside. So 24xyz, here x plus here xyz is common, so you can write y. Here xyz is common, so you can write z. And then 8xyz. Now you are going to cancel these. So xyz cancel with the xyz. 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and at last your product is 3x plus y plus z. Okay class, this is your answer and this is how you are going to divide polynomial by monomial. Okay class, now we left with the last topic of this chapter, and the last topic is division of polynomial by polynomial. Last topic is division of polynomial by polynomial. Okay class, now I'm going to give you one more question, that is 7x squared plus 14x divided by x plus 2. Now we are going to solve this. So you can write it with the help of a factorization method. 7x squared plus 14x divided by x plus 2. Okay class, now you can express this, or you can regrouping this. The 7x squared, 14x, now what is common? 7x is the common, and then you can write x plus 7x multiplied with the number 2. That is 7x multiplied with the number 2 is 14x, and 7x multiplied with the number x, that is 7x squared, and x plus 2 as it is. Okay, number x. Okay, x plus 2 and x plus 2 both cancel because they are common. So at last, your product is 7x. This is your answer, and this is how you're going to solve the polynomial by polynomial. So thank you so much for today. Stay happy, stay healthy. Thank you and have a nice day.